Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to preserve your ginger so that it will last for a very long time. Now without talking much, let's get right into it. So when you buy a ginger from the market, you go ahead and wash it very well and then peel it. This can be done with either a knife or a spoon, but I find that my little knife is doing a great job for me. So this is what I have after peeling everything. I'm going to go ahead and chop it into blendable pieces. You can chop it into bigger pieces if you have a very powerful blender. I want to use this as an opportunity to thank you, all my returning subscribers, for your love and support on the channel. I am so grateful. God bless you all. Thank you for commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. And also, if you are new here, hello, this is Vicky in the kitchen. Do not leave without subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So once I'm done peeling, I'm going to wash them. You know, I washed it earlier on, but with the peel on it. This time that I've peeled it off, I want to wash it until the water is clean. So I washed it just twice, and then that was it. After washing it, I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my blender and then blend it. The texture you want to blend it to really depends on you. I like it a little rough but not 100% smooth, just like you are seeing on the screen. But if you want it fluid and smooth, you can go ahead and blend it for that long. I have some ice cube trays, and then as you can see, I'm dishing the ginger paste into them. I'm going to fill this one to the brim. I'll just use my spoon to flatten it and then clean it up nicely. But the second one, I'm filling them halfway because there are times I wouldn't want a lot of ginger paste. So after I am done, I'm just going to use a nylon to cover it just so that it doesn't mix with other scents in the freezer. And then I'm going to freeze this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, everything is nice and frozen. I'm removing it to show you what it looks like. As you can see, it has formed nice cubes. So with this method, you can store it in your freezer and then it is still in form. Anytime you want to cook, you just pick one and then you use it. This is the half type, and then this is the full one. Okay, so let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I'm going to package them back into my nylon bag so that I'll put them in the freezer. So this is how simple it is to store your ginger for long. You can keep it for months. So long as you have power, it's going to last very long. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, God has a great plan for your life. See you in my next video. Bye.